How to unmute someone's messages on Instagram using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap the Messages icon to open your chats. Next, find the conversation you want to unmute. Press and hold that chat until a pop-up menu appears. From the menu, tap Unmute. If another screen opens with notification settings, make sure the Mute Messages toggle is turned off. If you've also muted call notifications, you can turn those back on as well. Once you've disabled the mute option, you'll start receiving message notifications from that person again. If you don't see the unmute option after pressing and holding the chat, simply open the conversation, tap the person's name at the top, then turn off Mute Messages from the chat settings. Depending on your Instagram version, either method may be available. And that's it. That's how you can quickly unmute someone's messages on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Instagram tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.